Hey, it's your boy, Amen. Today I'm going to show you guys. Taking a Allen key, a piece apart my bike. I'm going to show you guys how you take it out. Take it out. Remember, you don't want to lose this one too. Allen key nut. All right, but those are two Allen key nut. So I'm gonna show you guys how you put things back on, and I'm gonna end the video for the summer and yeah. And make sure you get started by hand first. All right. It's tight. Both of them Allen key nut tight. All right, guys. Go ahead, subscribe my channel, and hope you guys watch my learning how to fix my own bike. And I want everyone enjoying the rest of your summer. And I will make more YouTube videos in September. All right, and I will end the video for the summer, and I will get back to fixing bikes, making my own YouTube video fixing my own bike, and I will see you guys in September.